You don't need money to get started, nor a college degree, nor luck. You only need one thing: to understand what no one ever told you about how the internet really works. While you're feeling stuck, watching bills pile up and opportunities slip away, there are people starting from absolute zero and making big money online without investing anything but time and strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these people are doing it. No fluff, no magic promises. Just real, proven methods used by entrepreneurs who started from scratch and began building a new life from home. Stay with me until the end, because what you're going to learn today could be the turning point you've been waiting for. And go ahead and drop a like right now, because this content might change the course of your business, just like it changed the lives of thousands who put it into action. Most people believe that, in order to make money, you need to have money. That mindset, as common as it may seem, is one of the biggest traps holding new entrepreneurs back. It creates an invisible wall that separates dreamers from doers. But the reality is different. In 2025, the internet is democratized. Anyone with a phone in hand has access to a world of opportunities. And I'm not just talking about creating social media profiles, but about building true digital assets without investing anything but time and knowledge. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Hotmart, Medium, and even ChatGPT are goldmines for those who know how to use them. And before you think this isn't for you, remember what Napoleon Hill wrote in Think and Grow Rich: the starting point of all achievement is desire. Not capital. Desire. If you have that right now, you're already ahead of most. So if this video is already opening your mind, pause for a second and subscribe to the channel, because here, we talk about real strategies for those who want true financial freedom. Let's get straight to the point. There are 3 online business models blowing up right now that any entrepreneur can start from scratch, without spending anything. The first is affiliate marketing. This is the fastest way to generate income online by promoting digital products created by others. You sign up for free on platforms like Hotmart, Eduz, or Monetize, choose a product you believe in, and start promoting it with your own unique link. Every sale that happens through your link earns you a commission. That's simple. No inventory, no customer service, no bureaucracy. The second model is content creation as UGC, or user-generated content. Here, you don't need to be an influencer. You create videos for brands, showing products in an authentic, real way, like a regular customer. And companies pay, they pay well. And the third model is content creation with artificial intelligence. Today, with tools like ChatGPT, you can write ebooks, create articles, build posts for social media, and sell that as a service to businesses that don't have the time or skill to communicate online. If you're liking these models and want a video focused on each one with step-by-step guidance, comment below, "I want the step-by-step." And of course, drop a like so I know this topic deserves more videos on the channel. But there's one thing nobody tells you when they talk about making money online without investment. The real secret isn't in looking for ways to make money. It's in looking for ways to help. It may sound simple, but most people still don't get this. The internet doesn't reward those who are clever. It rewards those who solve problems. Those who deliver value before asking for anything in return. And this applies to everything: affiliate marketing, UGC, content creation, consulting, whatever. The more you help, the more people trust you. The more you give, the more you become a reference. And trust turns into clicks. Clicks turn into sales. Sales turn into income. It's like planting a seed. If you water it, nurture it, and wait for the right time, it grows. But if you plant today expecting to harvest tomorrow, frustration is guaranteed. That's why you need to stop chasing money and start chasing people you can help with your content, your experience, your story. And if you're still here, it's because you want more than shortcuts. You want real change. So take a moment and subscribe, because here you'll learn how to build online businesses with purpose and consistency. The most common lie about making money online is that it only works for people who already have followers. That belief is what keeps thousands of entrepreneurs stuck. But the truth is, online success doesn't come from fame, it comes from strategy. And strategy, my friend, doesn't cost a dime. Did you know there are creators making serious money with just UGC content? They don't show their face, they don't have followers, but they create authentic videos for brands, like everyday consumers, and get paid for it. Simple, direct, and with zero upfront investment. What did they figure out? That the internet rewards those who solve problems, not those who beg for attention. And if that makes sense to you, if you feel like you could be one of these creators, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because from now on, your mindset is going to change. And when that changes, everything changes. Today, there are 3 clear and viable paths to start making money online without investment. The first is affiliate marketing. You choose a digital product, promote it with your link, and earn a commission for every sale. As simple as that. The second is UGC, user-generated videos that companies hire to look more authentic. The third is the use of artificial intelligence. You can use ChatGPT to write ebooks, create posts, or offer services you sell to businesses. And here's the key point. None of these models require money. But they all require dedication, consistency, and action. And if you want me to make a video teaching the detailed step-by-step for each of these methods, comment below, "I want the step-by-step." Also, drop a like, because the more engagement, the more transformational content I'll bring here. Napoleon Hill said, "The starting point of all achievement is desire." And that's never been more true than now. It's not capital that defines whether you'll make it or not, it's desire. And desire is the one thing no one can take from you. The internet has leveled the playing field. Today, someone in a humble neighborhood, with a basic phone and genuine desire, can build digital assets that generate income every day. They just need to know where to start. And that's exactly what we're doing here. If you feel this content is hitting home, if you feel like someone is finally speaking clearly and truthfully, subscribe to the channel now, because you're not alone on this journey anymore. The golden rule of the digital world: provide value first, then think about selling. That applies to affiliates, UGC creators, content producers, or consultants. The internet rewards those who solve problems, not those who beg for clicks. When you focus on delivering real value, whether by informing, teaching, or inspiring, you become an authority. People trust you, click, and buy. And that doesn't require money. It only requires the commitment to help before expecting to receive. So ask yourself, who can I help with what I know? The answer to that question is the seed of your online business. And if this way of thinking truly touched you, hit the like button and subscribe. Because this is the kind of mindset that builds true freedom. Every video you post, every article you write, every page you build, all of that is a digital asset. Something that can generate income every day, even while you sleep. It's like planting a fruit tree. You water it today, it grows tomorrow. But it only bears fruit for those patient enough to cultivate it. The highest paid people on the internet today are the ones who understood this. Content is not a hobby, it's an asset. And you can start now, with $0 in your pocket. You just need to choose your format, understand your audience, and produce consistently. Are you enjoying this content? You know what to do. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, there's much more coming. When you see someone blowing up online, making money with digital marketing or selling content services, it seems like luck, right? But it's not. What nobody shows you are the 45 videos that didn't work, the articles no one read, the links no one clicked. Only success gets attention. But behind every financial miracle story, there are hours and hours of trial, error, and learning. And the best part? You can fail too, a lot, without spending a single cent. You can fail without losing money. You only lose time if you quit. So keep going. And if this video is giving you the courage to try again, do one thing: subscribe. Let's go through this journey together. Today, the most valuable currency in the world is attention. Companies pay big money for it. And you can be the link between that demand and the consumer. How? By creating simple, direct content that solves problems and grabs attention. Whether it's short videos for TikTok, informative posts for Instagram, or reviews for YouTube Shorts. Every second of attention is worth gold. And you don't need to be an expert. You just need to know how to communicate. Know what people are searching for. If you're willing to learn this with me, hit that like button now and turn on the notifications, because here, you'll learn how to turn attention into income. It has never been easier to create high-quality content. With ChatGPT, you can create scripts, articles, video ideas, and even full ebooks without investing anything but your time. AI is like having an entire creative team in your pocket, for free. And you know what's even better? Few people know how to use it well. That means whoever masters it now gets ahead. You can sell this content to businesses, use it as the foundation for your own videos, or create digital products. You just need to learn how to ask the right questions. And if you want a video just on how to make money using AI, comment here, "I want AI." And of course, click subscribe now because there's a lot more coming. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing fast results. And when they don't see them, they quit. But building an online business, even with zero investment, requires long-term thinking. Every piece of content is a brick. Every strategy is a step. And only those who follow the plan to the end build the house. Quitting halfway throws away everything you've already built. That's why the difference between those who succeed and those who vanish is consistency. And consistency is built with purpose. Remember why you started. Remember what brought you here. That matters more than any course. Did this truth resonate with you? Then like the video and share it with someone else who needs this strength too. Making money is great. Having freedom is even better. But what sustains it all is purpose. When you understand why you're doing what you're doing, no challenge can bring you down. Your content starts to have soul. Your communication starts to touch people. And people feel it. They trust you. They buy. And that's the cycle of online abundance. Value, trust, profit. It all starts with you. With your decision to take action, even without knowing everything, even without having everything. Because those who act with purpose attract the right opportunities. And if you've made it this far, it's because something inside you wants this change. So here's what you do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and get ready, because this is just the beginning of a new phase in your life. Let me tell you Anna's story. She lived in a humble neighborhood, with no prospects, no income, no support. She had a small child, an old phone, and borrowed Wi-Fi from a neighbor. Instead of complaining about her luck, Anna started searching on YouTube about how to make money online. She discovered affiliate marketing, watched dozens of videos, and began recording her own content, using products she already had at home. At first, of course, no one watched. But she kept going. Improved her titles, adjusted her delivery, learned the algorithm. And when she made her first sale, even if it was just $38, everything changed. It was the sign she needed. Within 6 months, Anna no longer needed favors or help. Today, she earns more than many traditional entrepreneurs, all with a simple phone, a clear strategy, and zero initial financial investment. What she had was courage and consistency. What you have today might seem like little, but it's enough to start. What you can't do is wait for the perfect moment, because it's never coming. Now listen closely. You don't need permission to change your life. You don't need money either. What you need is to decide. And decide with conviction. You already have what it takes to start: internet access, a story to tell, something to teach, and above all, the desire to change. And if you're still here listening to me, it's because that desire is inside you, even if buried. So I invite you now to take the next step. If this video helped you, share it with someone who also needs this breakthrough. Leave your like, because it shows me it's worth continuing to bring this kind of content, and subscribe to the channel, because the next videos will dive deep into each of these methods, with tutorials, strategies, and real examples of people just like you, who started from scratch and now live 100% off online income. This channel is for you who want freedom. It's for you who don't just want to survive, you want to thrive. So come with us. Because the journey is long, but you won't walk it alone.